First broke right here on Times Now as far as Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan and the attack that has taken place in his posh Bandra home in Mumbai. Saif Ali Khan, who was attacked by an intruder at his Mumbai residence, what is now being reported around 2:30 a.m. on Thursday. The assailant apparently used a sharp weapon, injuring the actor. He currently has been hospitalized at Lilavati Hospital, receiving medical treatment and also undergoing surgical process. But what is being said that for now, he is in a stable condition. All of that as far as the pictures that are now coming in from his residence, where there is the presence of the police, crime branch also investigating. We are looking at even when it comes to sniffer dogs that have also been deployed in the area. Forensics team has also been a part of the ongoing investigation. Let's in the meantime put it down as far as the sequence of events of what we know so far happened at around 2:30 a.m. at the residence of Saif and Kareena Kapoor Khan. Now, what is being said that the burglar enters the Bandra residence. It is now said that they reside in the 12th floor of that building. Saif Ali Khan apparently wakes up to some noise, and the actor then was attacked with a sharp weapon by the intruder. What is being said that he got injured in the scuffle with the thief, and the actor got stabbed multiple times, at least 6 times what has been said, with 2 deep gashes being reported as well on his back. Now, Saif Ali Khan's house help also tried to catch the thief and had raised the noise as far as spotting the intruder. What is being said, the actor later was shifted to the hospital in Lilavati Hospital, where we are told that he's undergoing a surgical treatment, the procedure there. Let's get in a word from Nilesh and a team of reporters who are currently in Mumbai tracking all of the developments from the residence to the hospital. Nilesh, many people there from the family as well reaching the hospital. Who all do we know are inside so far, getting an update as far as Saif Ali Khan's medical condition is concerned?
Well, yes, we are reporting from Saif Ali Khan's Bandra West residence. Currently, it is all media and police officials who are at the spot, in the premises. Multiple teams of crime branch, senior officials, including DCP rank officers, are at spot, trying to investigate every possible angle, which is currently seen onto the screen as well. Now, we have been constantly speaking of the security lapses that we can see. We'll also pan around our camera. Chandan is showing you the visuals that how multiple CCTV cameras are into place into the premises, not one, but nearly 20 CCTV cameras are at spot, and another police official team is now reaching at spot. We saw how forensic team also collected the samples from spot, and now crime branch team officials are again reaching at spot. We have been informing our viewers that how 3 to 4 individuals have been interrogated in the whole case, trying to understand how exactly this situation transpired, because as of now 2 hours CCTV footage has been all briefed by the interrogating officer, the agency, that is crime branch, and they have listed out that no entry has been made into the premises from the outside, and hence it is being suspected that it was an individual who already was residing into the premises. Now, officials informed that for the past 2 to 3 days it was a construction work happening inside the premises, inside the flat, and there is a high possibility that one of those individuals, a worker, made a place, was able to hide out into the flats of Saif Ali Khan, and upon that particular night, that is around 2 a.m., he barged with a intention of theft, and with this intention he was later confronted by the house helper, who also got injured into the incident. Upon her shouting, it was Saif Ali Khan who came to her rescue and confronted the said accused, who is currently out on the run. This accused attacked Saif Ali Khan multiple times, causing some serious injuries. Saif Ali Khan's team has mentioned that how the operation has been done, the surgery has been done, and he is currently in a stable condition. The team thanks all the fans for their concern, but also listed out that he is out of danger. He will be under the supervision of the Lilavati doctors, who will be looking after him. Now, what we are expecting
let's talk about
is
the investigative bit as well as far as the